If your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal got cancelled and you saw a message like this withdrawal was cancelled for your protection, don't freak out. This is actually pretty common. Let's break down what's going on and how to fix it. First, Cash App might cancel a withdrawal if their system thinks the transaction looks suspicious. It doesn't necessarily mean you did anything wrong, it's just a built-in safety feature to prevent fraud. Now, if your account isn't fully verified, that could be the issue too. Go into your settings and make sure everything's confirmed: your name, email, social security number, and ID. Without full verification, Cash App may block or cancel certain actions like Bitcoin withdrawals. Next, check if you've hit your Bitcoin withdrawal limits. Cash App has both daily and weekly caps. Just go into the Bitcoin section, then tap on Limits, and see where you stand. If everything looks fine but it's still not working, try updating the app. An outdated version can cause weird bugs or glitches. If you're already on the latest version and still having trouble, uninstall and reinstall the app. That can help clear any cached errors. Still stuck? Open the app, go to your profile, then hit Support and start a chat. Be ready to give them the transaction ID or any details from the cancelled withdrawal so they can look into it properly. One last tip: don't keep trying to resend the same withdrawal over and over. That can trigger more security blocks. Sometimes waiting a day or two and trying again solves it. And if this keeps happening, you might want to consider moving your Bitcoin to a different wallet for the time being.